Hello all, today again I'm going to be teaching you how you can add fonts to your Pixellab application. So first you need to go to your internet, your browser, then you search for font download. Then after searching for it, you will likely get this most popular 1, 2, 3, 4 website where you can download font from. So the first one, you can go to that font, whatever, but I will first of all go to 1001, maybe 1001 free font. So when I click on that, when you click on that, you will definitely see some other beautiful font. This one is Arabia, and then you click on it. We also have hanging letters. So guys, there's a lot of fonts out there, so don't just stick to your Pixellab font or whatever. So once you are done, now the next thing is for us to add it to the Pixellab application, which we'll be doing next. So the next step is for us to extract the font, because the font we download is in zip file. So I'm going to click on it and I will extract it to a location I know. Let me extract it to another location. Yeah, depending on your phone type, you need to know how to extract on your phone. But if you don't know, I will make sure I show you how you can use an application called WinRAW to extract at the end of the tutorial. So when you click on this, I'm going to save my file. I'm extracting it to a folder called download here. So then I'll click OK. Now the next step is for us to open Pixellab. So once you have opened the Pixellab, so I'm going to type hello world here. Work in hello world. So I'm going to come to the text property and I will select fonts, just as if I want to change the font style of my text. So but I will now click on my fonts, because every of your design you make will be in this my font place. So you can either add a single font or a complete directory that contains different kinds of fonts. So I'm going to use the first button here to add just a single font, because that's how we make it. So I'm going to come to download. I'm going to select download, then download. I will click on Arabia and then I'll click on the font. Still the same thing. So that's the font down here. I'm going to click on the file again. I'll add the second one. We downloaded 2 fonts. Let me click OK. You see that? So let's try to change the background so we can see the beauty of this color. So there we go. We got the keyword, the word hello world. If you want to see the complete pattern of this, you can give it a space and a space and another space and some space and a space. See, as hello world in design. And let's try to copy it again and give it the second one colors. So this one, we're going to go to font again, and then let the second one my font. That's where you're going to see your font. You click on hanging letters, and then here we go. So that's all for those of you who have challenges in extracting your fonts from the folder. You can download an application called RAW, like RAR. So I already have it on my phone. Once you click on it, you will go to wherever you download your file. So once you are there, you will just see all the fonts we have downloaded so far. Though I previously downloaded some fonts, so I'm going to mark all of them together. That's one of the benefits of this font. It allows you to batchly extract your font. So once you have marked all the fonts you want to extract, then you will now click on this one that shows the arrow going upward. You click on it, then it's going to ask you where are you going to extract it to. So for me, I'm going to extract it to the same location for the previous one, and that is going to be the download folder. I'm going to click on the internal storage device, and then I'll click on download, and I'll click OK, and then I'm going to click OK again. So done. Okay, it's going to ask you some question because of the repeatance of that name. Read me text. Just click on replace all, and everything will be boom. So you can now minimize this one. Come back to your Pixellab. Click OK. So this time around, we are going to we downloaded is in what we have extracted is going to be inside one folder. If you use raw to extract, all the font to be in one folder. So I'm going to click on directory instead of single file. I will go to the download. Where is it? I'm going to go, I will go to download, and then all the fonts. I think this is it. This is all the fonts we're talking about here in download. So instead of me clicking on just Arabia or Angular, I will just click on add directory like that. So look at what it got me. So these are the new fonts that I just download inside in one location. So then the rest of them are down here. So let's say I want to use it for this one. Let's click on this one, and then boom. So we got hello world in a different font. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share it with others. And the next tutorial I'm going to be working on is how we can design it, how we create a background using Pixart for our work on Pixellab. God bless you.
All commandments have been summed up to just one, and that is love. Let love flow through you, it's in you. Just let it out.